Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Rose here. Um, I am back here at the property. I'm going to be working on trimming down some of the trees that are in the field that have grown up over the years. And then I will eventually dig up the roots to make pathways for vehicles, to have little camp spots for family, friends, and even public events eventually in the future. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, it really helps. And I will do a little sped up version of me trimming trees. I'll let y'all get a good view of the sun setting while I trim up this tree here. Alrighty guys, y'all have a blessed evening and stay safe in this heat. Thanks for watching.